seamless, convenient, secured, smart. Legate Smart Push-Pull Door Lock Prime made convenient with our smart camera. Legate, upgrading your home security. 5 reasons to avail our newest bundle. Multiple ways to unlock. RFID card access. Just stop and enter. PIN code. Unique access password that can be temporary or permanent. Fingerprint access. Keyless unlocking. App control. Unlock your smart door lock remotely with Legate Smart Home app. Mechanical key access. A mechanical key is available for quick access. Home security and convenience. Our smart camera has motion sensors and alarms that provide extra security at your home. Unlocking remotely. The Legate Smart Push-Pull Door Lock Prime comes with remote open access to your front door. It's handy to securely let people in using your Legate Smart Home app from anywhere. So even when you're miles away from home, you can remotely check and lock your door. Monitoring remotely. Make delivery safe and more convenient. Unlock your door remotely to allow couriers to leave packages inside your home. So, even when you're not home, you can live monitor the entire delivery process through the smart camera for added extra security. This is home security like never before. One app does it all. 360 degrees of panning, unlock remotely, dynamic password, temporary password, view record logs, receive alert notification, monitor your home, two-way audio. Legate Smart Push-Pull Door Lock and Smart Camera, your hassle-free home security assistant. Call us today at 6242-1911 or visit our website at www.legate.com.sg.